Why is my alarm beeping? Espire alarms have a range of beeps and sounds to indicate different statuses the alarm may be in. The green LED will always be lit when an alarm is powered. When the red LED flashes and the sounder is audible, the alarm has been activated. Please note, if there is any doubt about the cause of an alarm activation, assume it was caused by an actual fire and evacuate immediately. When the sounder is audible with only the green LED lit, this indicates that an interconnected alarm has been activated. Contamination mode is applicable to all smoke sensor models. If the test hush button is pressed and the amber LED flashes with the alarm sounding 4 times, this indicates the alarm's optical smoke chamber is contaminated. Dust is one of the main causes of this, and alarm cleaning and maintenance must be completed regularly. For further information, obtain the product code and consult the specific product manual found on the Espire website.